this video, I'll show you how to run Instagram profile ads from Facebook. So you want to run ads that will take people to Instagram to go and view your profile on Instagram, but you don't want to do it from the Instagram app, probably because you do not have the option, or you just want to know how to do it from Facebook. This is how we do it. So the first step is obviously to come to your Facebook Ads Manager. So you want to go to adsmanager.com.facebook, adsmanager.facebook.com. So I want to create a new advert, all right? And we want to select the campaign called traffic campaign. So what we want to do is we want to send traffic to our Instagram profile. So we want people to visit our profile on Instagram. This is how we want to achieve, or this is what we want to achieve. So I'm just going to hit on continue, and then we can continue. So we want to set this to manual traffic campaign, and then you click on continue. So this is our campaign level. I'm just going to name it new campaign or new Instagram campaign or new IG ad. I'm just going to keep it this way. And this is basically all we need to do right here. So we are going to leave every other thing here to be off. So we click on next, so we can go to the ad set level. So again, this is our ad set. I'm just going to name it new IG. I'm just going to come right here. I'm going to name it new IG new IG ad set. All right. So we want to select where we want this conversion to take place. Remember, we want to send them to Instagram. So you come here, you select Instagram. This video is specifically dedicated to Instagram, but you can do other things here. You can do websites, app, messenger app, and all of that. So I want to come down here and want to select our budget. So select the budget you want to pay for the day. So I want to pay, let's say, the minimum budget possible here. But remember that Instagram is an expensive platform. So you want to put some reasonable pricing so that your ad can run. So if your price is too low, your ad may not run. So I'm just going to keep it this way, and I'm going to allow this advert to start whenever they approve it. So I'm not going to touch anything here. I'm also not going to touch anything here. So we are going to come down here where we have our audience targeting. So we are just going to come here and we will switch it to the original. So come here, click on switch to original audience options, then use original audience. So we want to take control of our adverts. So we don't want Facebook to do the targeting for us. So once we do that, we want to come down now and we can select our audience, like their location, their age, and all of that. So for the purpose of this advert, I'm just going to select, let's say, Lagos, Abuja, and the rest. These are just like the top places in Nigeria. So you can select your own location if you wanted. I'm going to say Abuja, and then maybe Rivers and the rest. I'm just going to leave it at these two at the moment. So this side here where we have this is a reach more people likely to respond to your ad. Now what this means is if you leave this on, they are going to ignore these two. All right. If they think that people in Kano will like this advert, they will take it to people in Kano. But I don't want that. So I want this to be only people in Abuja and Lagos. All right. So I'm going to ignore this pop-up they bring here just to make you do what they want you to do. So you come to the age here, you want to select the age that you want. So let's say I want to select somewhere around 25 and above, because that's the age I want. So I can come to gender here. I can select if I want only women or only men. All right, depending on what you want, you can select the both of them if you wanted. So now we come to our advantage detailed targeting. This is where we want to put all the interest that we want to target, the kind of people that we want to target. So let's say we want to target let's say Instagram people. You can come here, search for Instagram. We are going to see things about Instagram, social media, and all of that. So let's do Instagram in this case because we want to reach people who are on Instagram. All right. So once you do that, you can come here, click on suggestions, and you can see other related things like Instagram. So here we have Facebook, YouTube, social media, online, WhatsApp, Twitter, blah blah blah, and a whole lot of them. So you can do whatever you want. So in this case, I'm just going to remove the targeting. I'm just going to leave it to be just blank because this advert, I'm not going to run it. I'm just showing you how to do it. All right. So we are basically done from there, and we want to come to the placement. Again, we want to come here where it says see more options, or here, this advantage plus placement. Click on edit here, and we want to come to the manual placement. The reason why we want to do this is because if we use advantage placement, they will put this advert wherever they want, but we want this advert to show on just Instagram. So we don't want Facebook. So we want check Facebook. So this ad is going to run on just Instagram. So you see 7 out of 10 placement. But there's another thing we can do here. Even on the Instagram, we can select the parts of Instagram we want it to show. So I think all these parts are okay. Instagram feed, Instagram profile feed, Instagram Explore, Instagram Explore Home, Instagram Stories, Instagram Reels, Instagram search result. Now I don't want these two, so I'm just going to uncheck it. All right, so this is one of the advantages, or these are the advantages you gain for creating your advert from this place. All right, so that's going to be our placement, and you can see a preview. You can see how much based on how much we are spending. This is our estimated audience size and our estimated daily reach. All right, so all these things are estimates, so don't overthink them now. So now we are done from that place, so we go to the next phase, which is going to be the ad level, and this is where we are going to put our adverts, and then our adverts can be published so that it will go live. Again, you can name your advert. I'm just going to call it new IG ad. All right, new IG ad. So this namings, they are just for you. As you can see, this is the naming right here. It's just to help you know what you are doing in the future. So here I want to select our page. So even though we want to run this advert on Instagram, we need a Facebook page for it. So that doesn't mean that this advert will show on Facebook because we have instructed it to show on just Instagram. But we need to have an Instagram account. So we already have all these things connected. I have a video that teaches you how to do all these already, so check the channel. Now I want to select the adverts that we show, and this simply means what people will see on the adverts. All right, so you can either create the ad from scratch, which we have selected here, which is create the ad, or we can select our existing post. So if you click on that, you can click on use existing post, and what this is going to do for us is that we can select all the posts that we already published on the Facebook account and the Instagram account. So we come here, we click on select posts, and we can then select the post. So this is currently on Instagram because this page here doesn't have any posts, so we are going to just use Instagram for now. So you want to go through all the pictures that you have on Instagram. So let's say we want to use this one. You can click on it, and then you click on continue. So this is what is going to look like. This is going to be our web URL, which is our Instagram profile. So we are going to give it some time to see what it's going to look like. here, this is a preview of what our advert is going to look like. So our advert is going to look this way. Visit your Instagram profile, visit Instagram profile. And once we are done, this is basically all we need to do. You can then hit publish. So I'm not going to publish this advert because this is a purely test video or a tutorial video. But once you are ready, you can publish this advert and they will review this advert and they can approve it. And again, this is going to be the preview of your advert. So this is how you can create Instagram adverts from your Facebook ads manager that will take your target audience to your Instagram profile. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please like the video and leave me comments if you have any questions. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you. Bye-bye.